Alright guys, this is a follow-up to the RAV4 front engine mount change. So, as you can see, maybe the front mount is out. Have it over here. So I was wrong in the previous video. The bottom two bolts, which are here, were 14 millimeters on the bottom side. The cross-through bolt is a 17 millimeter head and a nut on the other end. So the best thing to do is use a breaker bar on either side with an extension, because you can't fit a ratchet in there without an extension. This is the old, I'm assuming it's a factory Toyota part that I will be replacing. I got this new one off of Parts Geek. It's a Beck and Arnley. There's a number if anyone needs. It appears to be the same. I'll update this when it's in.